So we've got some Kawakawa. Kawakawa, or the botanical name is Piper excelsum, and I've just found this Kawakawa on the owner's property that we're staying at in Opotiki, and I couldn't resist, so I asked her if I could harvest some and she said yes. So what we've got is we've got some fresh Kawakawa and we're going to make it into a tea. And so I've got my barbecue here and I've got my pot, and all I'm going to do is just take a few leaves off, maybe 4 to 5 leaves, that's all I'm going to use. You can break it up a little bit more, and this is going to be a lot stronger than if you had dried leaves as well, because fresh leaves of Kawakawa, it has volatile oils in them, so it's going to be a lot stronger. So I'm just going to cover that with water, maybe 750 mils of water or a litre of water, depending on how strong you want it. And then, so we've covered that, and then I'm just going to start the gas burner, and it will cook for about 5 minutes. Bring it to a boil for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to go, and then you'll strain it, and then you'll be able to drink the tea. Alternatively, you can keep the juice and let it cool and then refrigerate. So there you go, that's how you make Kawakawa tea.